more in the bonus, you know? Got 6.
I'll say 7.
Get one more?
Just in case.
Sure. Pieces in there too, like really long pieces.
Yeah.
Forgot to get more plastic.
Ran out of material yesterday. Had the wrong measurements, so we went to Lowe's this morning. Got some more wood. About to finish this up today. So who's that handsome devil? Here we go. Since we're just now getting that floor, ooh, it's dusty. That floor done. I'll rewind it a little bit. Oh, what's on my screen? Anyways, since we're almost done with this floor, and they're doing that one over there, I'll rewind it a little bit and show you the process. So check it out.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest. Now he takes off her dress. Now let me go.
Alright, done with work for the day. Gonna raise our spirits with some good old gas station food. Why so blue? Godspeed, boss. Hey, you see my employer treats me? That's how you're gonna treat your #1 employee, huh? Hey. Would you look who I just ran into at the gym 10 minutes later? Look who it is. The hateful boss. Look who it is, the rude boss I just encountered. Wouldn't even say bye to his employee.
We'll see you later.
You boys out. My little legs. I see a bald specimen. How was school?
Good.
Hey, tell the video why you were crying.
No.
Tell them why you were crying.
No. Because he got stickers all over his feet and legs, and he was crying like a baby. Yeah, he's 5. Do you know that vlog? Vlog, we're out. Make sure you subscribe.